Hey, I'm Mike Sadler.
Mark Schettenhelm.
And this is a very special podcast of Classic Car Ramblings.
Yeah, I think it's the first one we've done live.
Well, it's semi-live. We're doing it live on tape, as
Right.
they say.
Yeah.
And where are we today?
We're at the Motor City Solutions in Taylor, Michigan, and it's the Telegraph Cruise, but they're having an open house here.
Right.
So it's great. Well, we'll take you back there and show you some of the projects, some of the cars.
And then we'll take you outside and see customer cars or just people who show up.
Right.
Because the Cruise is just a mile down the road or something?
Oh, less than that. Yeah, it's right out there. But I think this is where the action is.
All right, so we hit it?
Let's go.
All right.
I did want to show, look at the license plates. I'm a sucker for those.
Yeah. There's some really old ones up there. 1916, it goes all the way back to 1910.
I always try to memorize the color,
Right,
so when I
right.
see it on a car, I know what year it is.
Oh, wow. You got a good memory.
Yeah, I
can't.
try.
And you got people here enjoying food, having a good time. We know that guy. All right. So this looks like a Corvette that they're
Yep.
in the midst of doing something with, huh? Fabrication down there. Putting a different type of rack and pinion on there.
Oh, yeah. It's so cool to see the body like this. I mean, normally you see like what's next.
Right.
But to see it as a project is really interesting.
Maybe that's what they're trying to show us here. Mm-hmm. This is what one looks like. And this is what it looked like if you finish.
Many hours
that
later.
One's wider,
Yeah.
right?
Maybe, yeah.
Well, look at this.
What a beautiful trunk.
It is. Great looking work they're doing.
And the dash here, it's custom, but it really looks a lot of the touches of the original.
Yeah, I mean it still has chrome, but then you have the the color
Right, and the
of the
speedometer
interior.
is similar.
Yeah.
And then echoed over for the passenger.
Wow, beautiful. Oh, it looks like it's supercharged. Nice looking engine.
And that, I don't know if it shows up in the camera, but that it shines.
Yeah,
the gloss.
As long as nobody touches it, right?
Yeah.
Right. All right, and looks like we got back there one of their paint booths.
Oh, yeah.
Got a car sitting in there. And then this, I've seen this around. This is like, look at that. It says Good Guys Award winner.
Yeah.
This one probably means something too when you go to
the paint
the
on
award.
this is just incredible because it isn't like I don't know how to describe it because it's got a depth to it.
It does.
And it's not like a metallic that is like in your face metallic. It's a subtle metallic and there's depth to it. It's amazing.
Oh, and that interior is really, really spot on. I don't know, a lot of people like the peanut butter interior. I mean, how would you describe that, Mark? Describe that.
I'm not going to say, but peanut butter I think works. But
I think peanut butter is a nicer way.
It looks like a classic.
Yeah.
It looks like a 55. It has a lot of that, but it's obviously been customized. It's modern.
Yeah.
But it's just, and I'm picky on these things. Everything has, I'm not really normally against, I'm liking customization, but this I like.
It's very nice, very nice. All right, and let's take just a little quick peek in the, looks like a Nomad in there.
Oh, I do love a Nomad.
Yeah, that's, look at the paint. So this is probably, looks to me like they've sanded and buffed it. So looks like final assembly, maybe?
Yeah.
Right? All right, we got a room over there. That looks like to be the interior or...
Oh, yeah.
Where you do
and here's a Fab 5.
Leather work. Oh, yep, Factory 5. You can tell by the...
Yep.
Oops, I'm ruining the focus there.
5, yeah.
So what do you think about Cobras?
I like them.
Yeah.
And I really respect the people that do that, and I admire the project. And I think it's a great project if you're going to build your own car,
right,
because you have the support there.
Yep.
to do it, and you've got something, and there's a market for it.
Yeah, at my house, I got a CD so you could see how to build one of those. I mean, I would love to do that, but I think I want to build a 33 Ford truck instead of a Cobra. Well, we've got quite a few of them here. Then, oh, we got one in some repair here. So they must be doing something to it.
Looks like a new front clip,
Oh, yeah,
because you can see up in there.
yeah.
So maybe it had like a little accident.
Could be. Could be. Oh yeah, and so look at the back of this one. Yeah, you know, what do you do when you have a Cobra and you get in a fender bender? How do you handle that? What do you do it yourself, or do you take it somewhere and have them weld fiberglass
Right,
on a
because
new
normally
back?
you buy the body and you have it.
Yeah.
But then that's great if it's new, but how do you repair it? Seeing a similar thing here.
Yeah, so I guess if you get in an accident, your options are, do I buy a whole new body?
Right. And just bolt that on. Yeah.
Or do I call them up and say, how do I get a back part and piece it together? I don't know.
Right.
I don't know.
Do they sell like pieces?
Or do they
must.
just fix this? And you can kind of see right in here, you can probably not coming through the camera, but I can see some fiberglassing work. See it in there that still needs to be sanded, and
Right.
we're working on it.
Right.
So,
It's not just a repaint. This
Yeah.
is blending in there.
yeah, let's get around the fan here.
Wow.
Wow, look at
There's
that
another
blue.
thing of the paint
Just pops, both of them. You know, it's interesting the Bel Airs have that gold highlights like that on
Yeah,
there.
which I don't like. I'm more of a 56 guy.
Yeah.
It's just a little, I don't know, too much, the gold.
Look at that. They put the Dynamat in there just like I did in the Maverick. That is great stuff.
You know, even though it's a convertible, I think it still makes sense.
Yeah. Oh yeah. It transformed my Maverick, putting Dynamat in the bottom because the noise, the heat from the headers,
The
all
heat,
that stuff.
yeah.
Yeah.
It's just going to be more comfortable, and it makes it more solid.
It does. It
That
does.
sound.
It does. Oh, look at this. A big old Pontiac.
428. I do love a Pontiac.
Yeah, you're always
Yeah,
in
it's a 2
search
plus
of those.
2. Yep.
Look at that. 2+2.
Yeah, and so the 2+2 is sort of a European inspired thing where you would have two people, two in front, and it wasn't just a two-seater.
Right.
It was a coupe, so you could have a 2+2 in the back. So it's another way to be more European.
Brand new BF Goodrich's on there. And look at this front end. Now, what do you refer to that as on a Pontiac?
Oh, that's the...
I call it the beak.
No.
But I know
But
it's
there's a name. We'll have to put it in the notes.
Yeah. Well, we'll put it underneath. When you figure it out, I'll add it in.
Man.
Huh.
Let's see if there's a name for it.
Well, it looks like we got a chassis over here. So they got a chassis being worked on.
It's got hood pins. I know
Yeah.
we had a podcast.
Oh, yeah.
We talked about their
4 of them.
and it's got 4.
Now, that's interesting. They took those ones off.
$396.
Yeah.
It is kind of a rare opportunity to see these projects at a professional shop. You know, we so often see the final product.
Right.
And we have some examples here, but to actually see some of the work that goes into them and what they have to do, the skills.
Right, and if you want, you can follow Motor City Solutions on Facebook. They
Right.
post a weekly update, and they go around the shop and show you what they're working on in the cars, which is pretty neat.
Kind of live through it.
Yeah.
And learn a lot too, I think.
Oh, here we go. Look at that.
Plymouth.
You know, Doesn't that look expensive? Is it the color?
It's a beautiful color,
Oh,
just
look,
perfect
look.
for it.
Look at that interior.
So they're going very
Do you
stock
think
with
that's stock, that satin color?
Maybe not the satin color.
Looks so good though, doesn't it?
I'm not sure on that. Might
You ever
be,
hear of
but-
that model?
Yeah, Cambridge.
First for me. Let's get a look at the front end. So they don't do the chroming here, so they must send their chrome out. But if you look at all these cars they're working on, you know, all the chrome is just, it's all been fixed.
Right, better than factory.
You know, yeah. Re-chromed, I guess is the proper word.
Right.
You ever had anything re-chromed?
No, I haven't, but it's tough to find people that
It
can do
is.
that.
I had to send my bumper to the Maverick to a company, and they told me that's the last time. It's been chromed too many times, and it's thin. It's thin. So
Yeah, if you got to find someone that does it and keep them.
now look at this. Now look at the work. Oh, I don't want to get in this guy's shot with his picture. Now, if you ever get stuck in a trunk, that would be a good one to
This
be.
is right. I mean, it's padded.
Yeah.
Yeah, 59 Ford Galaxy, and you know, again, this is a nice custom touch to take that and make it a little nicer.
It is. It's very nice. Oh, is the window down on that side?
And
To see
even up
inside?
the top, I like this, putting 59 there and it's padded.
Yeah.
So it'd be a perfect place for your car care products.
Look at those
to hide
wheels.
them in the sides.
I think those were dipped. I'm not sure I'm a fan of that, but they look cool.
Yeah, I don't like that, but you
Not
know.
you? We can't get a good look inside. And it still has a Ford. Bonus points right there.
Air conditioning.
You need that on a day like today. We're soaking through. Oh, I don't think it's picking that up. I didn't notice that before. Can you see the sparkles in the
Oh
paint?
yeah. You got to. The light has to hit it just
There
right.
we go. Let's pull back and look at that.
See, I don't see it from here.
No, we get up close. What a great touch that is, right?
Amazing.
Amazing. All right, let's look over here. Want to walk down through here, maybe? We should go in and see their interior shop.
Interior, right. A nice Monty, 72.
You know, it's nice when people put the years on there, so we know, right?
I mean, I get close. I mean, sometimes I know. Other times I'm in a year or two. It helps me.
Turn the light on.
Oh,
There you go with the burl wood or whatever
and
you want to
that
call
the
it.
shifter.
Yeah.
Even though it's automatic, I think that is so cool to
It
be
is.
able to go and shift that.
It is.
And again, the Monte Carlo has the wooden.
I prefer having a
like
shifter.
interior things. Yeah.
My truck has a column shifter, and I don't like that.
Oh, yeah.
Let's look inside this T-Bird.
Oh, yeah. So it's got the porthole.
Yeah.
So it's got to be a 56 or 57. You can tell right by that.
Yeah.
And then you look in the back, the 56s had the Continental kit, 57s didn't.
So this, yeah, got nice touches, those valve covers, the chrome.
Yeah, and for the Thunderbird, they had the special covers there. So you know it was a...
His paints really need some TLC.
I like the details there, and like the door handles are so
Yeah.
cool.
I bet I wonder what they're gonna paint this, reshoot this, buff this, wet sand. I wonder what they're gonna do.
I don't know, and I love these cars. I mean, I think they're just a great collector car because parts are available, easy to work on, and they're really cool, and the values are going down, so it's actually a great one to pick up.
It is, it is. You know, our 2002 T-Bird, I don't think they're ever gonna go up that much in value.
No.
I think they're just fun cars that people enjoy.
Right.
I don't know if they'll be a collector's item.
Collector, right.
Yeah, I'm not sure about that. But did I think an 85 IROC or Firebird would become as valuable as they're shooting up, right?
You never know, and it could be it's featured in a movie, or someone famous buys one, some
Right.
fluke,
Right.
and suddenly they're popular.
Yeah, let's go in the, what do you call I lost my mind of what an interior shop.
Yeah.
Trim room is what they call it. So it says it right on the door. Oh, at least this guy works in here, has air conditioning to work in, right? Got all the different swatches that you could choose from and colors and carpets.
I mean, doing something here, it's almost like the old days of the 20s and 30s and the custom coach work.
Yeah.
Where you'd say, this is the color I want, and like, here's the contrasting color. Here's the stitch work I want.
There's this pattern, right? And then they traced that on and sewed it into that.
So we talk about customized cars and custom. This is custom.
Custom room, yeah.
You choose everything to get it to what you want, and it's all done by hand.
So really, this is a one-stop shop. You could come and say, look, I got this car, I want it restored, I want this interior, this paint, I want my door panels to look like that, and they'll make them. Incredible. So this one, they're doing the interior, and it looks to me like they've done engine work, right?
Yeah.
And they've done paint work. So the paint's been cleaned and sanded and buffed, but no chrome on it. And of course, you want to wait till final assembly.
It's like a late 30s Buick.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you can see the trunk on the back.
The hump, yeah.
So it's like 38. Someone's going to correct me, but
yeah,
it's
they will. That's what's great. We have a lot of people who set us straight when we misspeak.
Well, a lot of this is off the top of my head, and then I research it later. But
well, and here's what I try to tell people: is it's one thing to sit and talk with somebody and think about it, but try putting a camera in your hand, have a conversation, and walk around and film and not run into people. All of a sudden, those little things in your head, they don't exist. It's hard to reach those, right?
Right, and the amount of knowledge.
Right.
But normally we do pretty well.
Yeah. Oh, so they went and stitched up a bunch of that for that door panel.
So they stitch it up first, and then they cut it out.
Yeah, that's pretty smart. So these are their sewing machines right here, what they're using. They have a gun there to probably have glue in it, right?
And it's very clean. Mm-hmm. It's very orderly, which is exactly what you want to see if someone's going to work on your car.
It is.
This is, it's a matter of trust. Like, I know what I'm doing. I'm orderly. I'm going to get you what you want.
Okay, here's the name of it. I guess they're called
Trim Shop.
Trim Shop there, and this one says Trim Room. But okay, all right. So where do you think we should head to now? Let's go outside?
Outside, yep.
All right, let's go outside.
It's going to be hotter.